It is the gearing system that holds many cyclists back from buying a road bike. If you are among the many cyclists who are confused about the gearing system on a road bike, then you are on the right place. In this video, I will tell you how to properly shift your gears on a road bike. Most road bikes have braking and shifting integrated to one lever, as you can see right here. This bike is equipped with SHIMANO STI gear system. STI stands for SHIMANO Total Integration. It is mostly designed by SHIMANO for racing bicycles. In this system, the whole brake lever will move when shifting the gears. You can also see another lever, which is to shift the gears in the opposite direction. The left shifter controls the shifting on the front derailleur and the right shifter controls the shifting on the rear derailleur. With the big lever right over here, you can shift to the largest sprockets and the largest chainring, depending upon whether you are shifting the gears on the left-hand shifter or the right-hand shifter. And also, the smaller shifter located right over here. With this, you can shift to the smaller chainring and the smaller sprockets. As I said earlier, the smaller ring in the front makes the gear easy and the smaller gear in the rear makes the gear harder. Okay, I will make it simple. The smaller lever on the left hand shifter will shift the gears to the easiest gear on the front derailleur. And coming to the right hand shifter, the big lever located on the right hand shifter will shift the gears to the easiest gear on the rear derailleur. On the left hand shifter, the smaller lever will downshift the gears on the front chainring, meaning the chain will revolve around the smaller sprockets on the chainring. The most common mistake that riders make is cross-chaining. So let me tell you what cross-chaining is. Cross-chaining happens when you shift your gear on extreme gear ratios. That is, shifting your front derailleur on the smallest chainring and shifting your rear derailleur on the largest sprocket. As you know, cross-chaining can damage your entire drivetrain. So it is very important to maintain gear ratios while shifting. And also, you don't have to shift your gears under pressure. So there you have it. I hope you have a better understanding of how to shift your gears on a road bike. As always, smash the like button below, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cycling related content. Until we see in the next video, this is me Arvind from Bicycle Card signing off.